welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some pieces in my home that I feel are timeless and elegant. So if you'd like to see what I'm going to share, then just keep watching. Now I think glass is very elegant, and this piece here is a mirror that I've had for many years. And I absolutely love it. It's very over the top for me, but I do like it. So I feel that it is a timeless piece. It has come with me from one home to the next. So, you know, it has stood the test of time already with me, but I just think it's beautiful. And it's a piece that I picked up some years ago at Home Goods on a clearance rack, but I just loved it. And so I think glass is very elegant. I think this is an elegant piece. And I've placed it over my bar cart. And that's something else that I think is timeless and elegant, is a very nice bar cart in your home, which you can decorate for the seasons, or, you know, just kind of pick some decor and leave it that way all the time. But if you have it nice and shiny, and I just think it's very elegant. Another thing that I find that I think is elegant is a nice glass table. I'm into glass if you can't already tell. So a nice, elegant table that you can dress up. Here's some examples of tablescapes that I've done on this table. Or you can just make it plain just like this. Either way, I feel that it's timeless and it is elegant. Another piece that I feel that is timeless and very elegant is my mirror that I have over my entryway table. And I just have it here styled with a vessel that I got that I feel is Restoration Hardware inspired, which I love, with some olive branches in it and another plant right there. So I just feel that this is timeless and elegant. This can stay up for years and no one would ever say, wow, why do you have that outdated mirror up there? It never gets old. So I feel that it's very elegant and timeless. Another piece that brings me lots of joy, and I feel that it's elegant, are green plants, and in particular, my fiddle leaf fig. I love this plant. I think it is just so elegant and just beautiful, and to add to any space, to just add life to it. I think it is so pretty. Now mine is a baby, so it has a ways to go, but it's doing well and I love it. I think it's very elegant. I also have this little pilea, I think it's called, or the friendship plant. I think it's timeless and elegant as well. It kind of looks like a UFO, but the thing that I like about it is that it sprouts little new plants out that you can give to your friends. So it's also called a friendship plant. So that is definitely timeless. If it continues to put out and you can give to your friends and your loved ones, I think that is a beautiful thing. So plants, green plants, add elegance to any space, in my opinion. More of the plants that I have in my home that I feel they add life to my space. All right, so my final piece is my shelving unit that I purchased this summer from a garage sale. And I just painted it and brought it into my office and styled it using the restoration inspired decor, most of which is thrifted. It did have lighting in it. I added some additional lighting just to add some ambiance to it. And I feel that that made it very elegant. So I'd like to share that piece. But before I do, I'd like to give a special thanks to Lady Phoenix over at Really Good Living and Cheryl at Istylemystyle. They are the host of this collaboration called Timeless Elegance. And so I'm going to be linking their channels in the description box below. I'm also going to be listing the playlist so that you can check out all of the other creators that participate in this open collab. I hope that you will take the time today to stop over to their channels as well as the other creators and check out what they have to share. So now let's get into this shelf. I don't know if the lighting is doing it justice just because of the glare, but this is how I have styled this piece. I've shown it before on my channel, so I'll link the video above to show where I picked it up and how I refinished it. But this is my shelf that I feel is timeless, and I intend for this to be a part of my decor for years to come. All right, that's all I have to share today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like it, comment, and subscribe if you're not currently subscribed. I do a lot of home decor, home cleaning, thrift hauls, shopping hauls over here on this channel. So if that's something that you like, then be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload new videos. And if you're a returning family member, I thank you so very much for your continued support. It means so much to me. So thank you. And I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye-bye.